I am stunned how this look turned out to be so glamorous. Hey guys, this is Chandni. So let's begin. First, I am moisturizing my face and applying a lip mask. Then, taking Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer in between my fingers and massaging only in the areas where I have large pores. It instantly blurs the pores. Then, I'm using a peach color corrector from Sugar Cosmetics, which is their peach precedent. I'm applying them on my dark circles and pigmented areas. To stop the color corrector from mixing with the other products, I'm lightly dusting K Beauty loose powder in shade Vanilla. I have definitely forgot about the green color corrector to mention. I had put it on my red acne marks. Next, mixing my two foundations, one from Lakme 9 to 5 in shade 180 Warm Natural, another from Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee. I am dotting all over my face and blending with a beauty blender, as brush can pick up some of the color correctors I have used under. For neck, a brush can be used as we haven't used any correctors there. Do not forget your ears. To conceal, I am using Lakme Mousse Concealer in shade Honey and blending with my fingers. Then, I am using the same beauty blender I have used earlier. Then to add some definition to the face, I am taking a darker shade of concealer on the back of my hand. This one's Swiss Beauty HD Concealer Pen 06 Desert Sweat, and dotting where I want my shadows to be, and blending it by buffing it gently and slightly dragging it to my hairline and not in the inner part of my face. In case we have applied a little more, we can anytime mute it down with the beauty blender. I love using the same beauty blender as the residue left from the previous product can help in blending well. Then using the same dark shade of concealer under my chin, I am buffing it, and I will repeat it on my forehead too, but not bringing it in the down part. I will take it towards my hairline. I am using the same dark shade of concealer to contour my nose as well. Then to highlight the high points of my face, I am using a light shade of concealer. It is from Swiss Beauty in shade 02 Sand Sable. And blending it with a beauty blender. am taking time to set my face with a loose powder and focusing on the points where concealer is used and avoiding the places I have contoured. And pressing the powder well, it will keep the makeup intact for a long time. Then I am brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie to fill the sparse areas. I am using Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil in shade black. Remember, we use pencil on our skin, not on the hair. And when we are brushing it again, then it isn't necessary to draw hair-like strokes unless you are using brow pen. Then using Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution London, rich in life, I am taking the light brown shade called Workaholic and warming up the crease. For my eyelids, I am using a dark brown shade which is called Jet Setter, which is a chocolatey kind of brown, and applying it with a small eyeshadow brush. Then taking the light brown shade again with a small blending brush, I am blending it again so that it can create a good transition. Then without taking any product, I am blending everything with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. I am also applying the brown shade in my lower lash line. To tight line, I am using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Kohl, and to set that, I am using a black eyeshadow from the palette and dragging it a little bit to create a little wing. And joining it half away, I am not taking it up to my tear duct and just keeping it short. Then taking this sparkly shade called Diamonds for Breakfast, I am focusing on the center part only. After curling my lashes, I am applying a mascara from Myglamm. And this is how it looks after applying falsies. This one's from Swiss Beauty. For bronzing, I am using Cuffs and Lashes Cuppy Cake in shade Tea Cake. For blush, I am using these two shades, which are not too much. They are kind of muted and mauvey kind of. They are beautiful. They are from Cuffs and Lashes too. For highlighting, I am using Cuffs and Lashes Cupcake Highlighter in shade Scrumtious on the high points of my face. And also on the Cupid's bow. For my lips, I am using a matte liquid lipstick from Myglamm, which is from their lit range. This is the shade called Swinger. It's so beautiful. It's brownie kind of shade. And for setting the face, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Then here is my saree and accessories. These accessories are from my two beautiful friends. And this is the glamorous look. Hope you liked it. If yes, please consider to subscribe my channel, to join the family, like and comment. See ya.